absolutely have no other choice. I am getting a little ahead of myself. We still have to defeat Rival 6, but based on the way Rival 5 went, we shouldn't really have any issues. I hope. All right, you know the drill by this point. He leads with Pidgeot. We still have Return. We use it. 1 down. Next, we got Rhyhorn. Shadow Ball should one-shot. It does. 2 down. Next is Charizard. Wait a minute. Does Gyarados no longer have a damaging move that can hit us? It must not. Because, yeah. Oh my gosh. We don't... I'm sorry. I need a second to process.